preview today. I think we'll start off with the news.
Today, we have a record of people getting hit in the head with hard objects. It has happened multiple times in the past hour and 45 minutes.
Oh, I saw this one. Fast forward. Pause.
It's a rifle.
I'm doing Discovery Channel.
And here we have the human panda hybrid. It was
in all states except China. Countries, my
built
bad.
in a lab by a scientist named Phil.
Since when did Phil people get into China?
He's Filipino.
Ah.
This animal is so boring.
I know, right?
Was that a function? Was
My commentary. HBO.
What?
HBO.
Sex, fuck, 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 fuck.
I'm
sex,
a midget
sex.
back in the Middle Ages.
You guys mind if I leave it?
I am the king of said kingdom. I cannot remember my name right now, but I played Boromir in Lord of the
Slumber.
Rings, so I can't. Start.
I'm in a perfect position to stab.
What? No! AMC. The Walking Dead.
Movies.
AMC. No.
Too bad I'm Chuck Norris's zombie.